The universe, voiced by Stephen Hawking. LOL, not really.
Bang.
This is the sun. It is quite hot. Actually about 6,000 degrees Kelvin. It is believed to be about 5 billion years old. It is a main sequence star, and it runs on mainly hydrogen and contains 99.85% of the solar system's mass. It is scheduled for demolition on Friday. Ha 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 ha. This is Mercury. It is the first planet closest to the Sun. It takes 88 days to orbit the Sun. Mercury gets its name from the Roman messenger god. It's really hot. So hot that we cannot go to it, so we send flybys. It is the current residency of Waldo. This is Venus. She is really hot and gets her name from the Roman goddess of love. She is considered Earth's sister planet because of her similar size. The surface is around 450 degrees Celsius. Its orbit is only 225 days long. The Earth. It is where we live. It is the best planet in the universe. It has life, which makes it really cool. It is a very coincidental planet. It is also quite small. In the universe, it is just a small catchet stain in the large laundromat that is about 93 million miles away from the Sun. Mars is known as the red planet. Note, there is no life on Mars as of yet that we know of. It completes one orbit in 686 days. The atmosphere is not livable because it contains too much carbon dioxide. It is also cool too.
The previous narrator is taking a break. Her lunch break. I will be taking over now. Next is the asteroid belt. It is in between Mars and Jupiter. It's got a lot of asteroids. Man, am I doing this right? Like, is this okay?
Yeah, you're doing okay.
Oh crap, did I leave this on? Dang it. How you turn it off? Wait, there. No, it's on. This is, Jupiter. It's the first of the gas giants, and it's got like 45 moons. And let's see what else it says here. It says it takes Jupiter like 12 years to orbit the sun. That's a long time.
You're fatty.
And that's it. I guess the main moons are Callisto, Ganymede, and Europa. I guess that's cool. I guess I don't know. That's Jupiter. Oh yeah, it's like 100 times as dense as Earth, and it's composed of like 97% carbon dioxide and 3% 3% nitrogen nitrogen into whatever. You know what I mean. Oh wait, never mind. That was for Venus. Okay, actually, it's like 50 times the size of Earth or something. I think. Right? Yeah, I guess so. Something like that. It's huge though. It's like really big. And it's got a few rings, but not a lot. Next page. Saturn can easily be identified by its beautiful rings that, like around it, These rings are like millions of like rocks and icy rocks, and it's the lightest planet. The helium's mostly, I mean, the atmosphere is mostly helium. Yeah, that's what I meant. And yeah, it has one massive moon called Triton, and it has like 52 other small moons. Um, and there's a probe orbiting it right now or something, I guess. It takes it like 24 years to complete her orbit. What? Is it a girl or something? Well, have you checked? How do you check? Oh, well, probes. Probes? Oh, I don't know. Great way to throw it off. The next one is your anus. Uranus is big. It's got a lot of gas. um, your anus is so big and so far out that it takes 84 years to orbit around the sun. Uranus has a tilt of like 98 degrees. That's a good band, by the way. 98 degrees is pretty good. Yeah, they're on the Mulan. Yeah, there's a song they did that's on Mulan, a little cartoon movie. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Uranus is named after the Roman god of skies and blah blah blah. It's it's whatever. Yeah, whatever. That's not Neptune. That's the SpongeBob Neptune. I don't know what you're thinking. There you go. That's better. Cross that out. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Neptune is next. It's taking forever. Neptune was the Roman god of the sea. Okay, we all know this from SpongeBob. Okay. It's the 8th planet. And it's aptly named because of its deep blue hues, like the sea. So cool. In 1989, a space probe spotted a huge blue spot, similar to Jupiter's huge red spot. Neptune also has clouds condensed above the surface. Neptune has a large moon called Triton. No. Okay, yeah. So, speaking of Triton, I meant for Saturn to have a Titan, okay? Let you know that. And Neptune has a Triton, so just let you know there. Yeah. And it has like a dozen other planets, moons, It takes Neptune 164 freaking years to go around the sun. Holy crap. It's a lot. The Kuiper Belt's next. It's like the asteroid belt, but it's mostly like icy things that's so far away from the sun. It's like in between Neptune and Pluto. There's like 50,000 of these little dwarves, which are like tiny planets, and there's some that are to be over like 100 kilometers. That's pretty big.
Looks good.
It took over 40 years to find the Kuiper Belt because it's like really far away out there. And we sent space probe New Horizons out to go out and take pictures of like Pluto and stuff, like Kuiper Belt, whatever. It should be there around 2014, supposedly. Kuiper Belt. Protoplanets. I don't know what they are, but they sound cool. They're like things that could be planets, but they aren't yet. something. Like, Pluto would be a protoplanet because it's like kind of a planet, but it's not a planet because of the size and whatnot. It has an orbit. Orbit gum is good.
Orbit gum is good.
That's it. Clean your mouth with orbit. Orbit. Script by Connor and Trevor. Animation by Connor.